What's going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. So in this video we have an introduction video into the Pro Street Group build. So this is a 2020 Pro Street Group build, and this is the 3rd year anniversary, so that is awesome. And I know how much a lot of you guys love this group build, so why stop there? Let's host it again. So it's later this year, and I'll explain why. Because I had to help Jeff with the 2020 Big Rig group build, and plus it took over my spot because I do like to host this group build near March, like March 1st, but the Big Rig group build took over that spot, and I had to help Jeff host it because, well, it takes more than one person to host that group build because it's kind of big group build. A lot of people, join that one, so I helped Jeff with that one. Not a big deal. It's actually a very good group build, and a lot of people love that group build. Speaking of the Big Rig group build, it actually ends this month, but me and Jeff might do a video a little bit later on this month, so stay tuned. But plus, I don't like to run group builds on top of each other because I know some of you guys like to do one model at a time, such as me. So, I don't like to overlap group builds. Say like one person wants to join both group builds, but they're wanting to both at the same time, and you have to build both of them at the same time, and it's just because I know some of you guys do like to build one model at a time, like me, because if I get more than one on the bench, and it's kind of frustrating to know which parts goes to which model, and I like to keep my focus on one model. I know a lot of you guys do out there also. So it's starting the big week. Oh my gosh. The Pro Street Group build is actually hosting next month, the 1st, and it's gonna run through October. So you're gonna have 3 months to complete a model. I ran it 3 months last year, and a lot of you guys finished it in like 2 months. So I think 3 months is gonna be more than enough for you guys out there. So let's get to the rules and let you guys be on your day. So the Pro Street Group build, which means these two down here, or any kind of Pro Street is available. The Pro Street means it has to be a vehicle that was street legal, such as the Mustang or the Chevy over here. They were street legal, they were no problem street legal, and the guy, took them and put a bigger chassis on it, put a roll cage in it, whatever he did, and put big slick tires on the back of them, and now they're no longer street legal. But like I said, they were street legal cars because they took the street legal body and stuff and made a Pro Street. So that's what the Pro Street is. Gassers, they are 100% allowed. Also, I allowed them on my build for the very first year actually, so they will always be allowed. So gassers are 100% allowed. You can build any gasser, build a panel, build a dragster gasser, you can build a wheelless gasser, it's up to you, build whatever you want. Gassers are 100% allowed. What is not allowed is Pro Stock. So a lot of you guys actually get this rule very good, and which is very awesome. So you all know what Pro Stock is. Here's an example. So it's it's like a funny car, but it's a vehicle that was never meant for the street and never will be. It's always meant for the track. So that's a Pro Stock. So this is not allowed on my Pro Street group build because, well, it's not a Pro Stock group build. So Pro Street, so it's not allowed. But what is allowed, if you want to, you can customize your own Pro Street. So say you can't find a kit, or you don't want to do a kit that's already Pro Street ready, that comes, Pro Street ready with these kits. If you want to make your own, go nuts. It's totally up to you guys. So here's an example. Like, say we're going to turn this Fairliner into a Pro Street. Let's do so because you can put stick tires on the back. The roll cage and the engine, I don't really care. That's up to you guys because some Pro Streets do have roll cages and some don't. So the roll cage and the full interior is totally up to you. If you want to take out the whole seats, keep the driver's seat, it's up to you. Pro Streets are all different, ways. Some have passenger seats, some don't, such as this one. Some have roll cages, some don't. It's up to you. You can go with a different aftermarket engine. It's up to you guys. So sponsors, I don't really care about sponsors. A lot of pull sheets don't have sponsors. It's like a weekend, fun car. That's what they call it. So a lot of them don't have sponsors, but some of them do. So if you want to, you can go out with sponsors, aftermarket, or go for kits with your sponsors. But sponsors, I don't really care. A lot of pull street cars don't come with sponsors, but if you want to put a sponsor on yours, go for it. It's up to you. But other than that, I think I covered everything. The bonus list is going to be published on the very first day of the Pull Street Group Build actually starts. So let me know if you're in. I'll add you to the list. And I did start a Facebook group page over on Facebook. I'll provide that down in the box down below, video description, if you want to check out the Facebook group page. I did invite a few of you guys, but if I didn't invite you, you can always join and I'll accept. And it's just my first time doing a group for my Pull Street Group Build, and I thought it'd be fun for you guys. So, and it's a public group, so if Facebook folks want to join, they can. I'll take pictures of their builds, and I'll put it at the final picture preview video at the very end of the group build, like I always do. But their names will not be on the list. Only you guys' names will be on the list because, well, you guys are YouTubers and you are watching it on YouTube. But other than that, that's it for now. I think I covered everything. 3 rules, Pull Street, make sure you have slick tires and no pull stock. Easy as that. So less rules, more fun for you guys. Like I said, engine, interior, I don't care if it has a roll cage or not. I don't care if it's a big blower. It's up to you guys. You can go all out with your kits. Make it your way. But other than that, that'll be it for now. And until next month, I'll have the bonus list out for you guys. And I might do another video like this when it comes sooner to the Pull Street Group actually starts. You can do your intro video anytime. From now, anytime. I'm actually going to do mine a few days before the big rig, or the Pull Street Group Build actually starts. So if you have a kit, go for it and do your entry video right now. It's up to you. But other than that, that's it for now. And like I said, I'm going to do another video when it comes closer to the build. But other than that, let me know if you're in. I'll add you to the list. And until next time, guys, I'll talk to you guys later. Bye for now.